Miva 10 has 3 new options for your report center. As in Miva 9, you can toggle your reports on and off to dictate what shows on your homepage. Here you can see we don't have any reports active at all. After going into Reports and turning a few on with the toggle switch, they now show on the home screen dashboard, populated with data. You can set up your reports to display as much or as little information as you'd like, depending on what feels comfortable and what's useful for you. It may not make sense to show your sales for all time if you're a seasonal business. Instead, you may want to set specific timeframes to track and compare. This all carries over from Miva 9. New in Reports, though, are these 3 new reporting options. Customer Sales, showing you how valuable specific customers are. This will come in useful, for example, if you're a wholesaler. You'll be able to see at a glance whether a customer is hitting new sales goals and maybe needs a private account manager. Alternatively, if a once high-value customer has dipped in sales, maybe you need to touch base. The next one is Sales Commission. Similar to the customer sales report, you can track spending trends. But in this case, you're viewing the other side of the coin. You'll be able to see whether a salesperson on your team is hitting or surpassing their quota. This report shows sales based on whether they're made through the Miva admin or via the Shop as a Customer portal. Finally, we have the Coupon Usage Report. This one's useful to a bit of a broader audience. Where the other 2 have a special appeal for wholesale and high-volume sites, this report is applicable for everyone that uses coupon promotions. Get a quick overview of whether your coupons and promotions are effective. The report will break down results based on the coupon code used. The use of reports can help you decide which marketing channels are most effective, how your sales are performing, which products are earning you the most profit, and more. For more details on Miva 10, check out our other videos.